Token is an important component of LLM. When you hear the word token, it means that it is a chunk of text that a model reads or generates. It can represent a word, a subword, or even a character, depending upon the tokenization method that you're using. It provides a structured way to break down the word into and the sentence into manageable pieces for the models to process. I will take you a quick example. When you go to OpenAI platform for tokenizer, you can look around and see how OpenAI is doing the tokenization. As you can see, this particular website will be shared, the link will be shared as well on the video. It is telling us how we are taking a sentence and how the large language model, specifically in this case OpenAI, is tokenizing it. So this is the text. As you can see, tokenization is the process of splitting the word into smaller chunk of tokens, and generally it is what I have seen is any word that is less than 5 that can become a token, but anything that is greater than 5 it is split into 2 meaningful tokens. Like in this scenario, this particular thing that if you do, I will do a dot here, or just to show. Tokenization is the process of splitting the words into smaller chunk of the tokens. So there are actually 12 words, right? Tokenization 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 words, but 14 tokens. Why? You can see in this below color coding that every specific word is a token, and but except tokenization, it's a big word and it is split into 5 and 7 that is there, and the rest are into a specific token. And you can see the dot here as well, that is also a separate token. So this is the way whenever you talk about token, this is the way the OpenAI or any large language model, they do the billing upon the tokens that you are sending, the ones that they are processing and the ones that they are giving back. So this is the very basic concept of tokenization and tokens that are created. So thank you, and see you in the next video.